Okay, so first, what is Xcode OrgID? I have provided proper information here to know how to get that Xcode OrgID. So basically, it is a team ID generated by Apple. Okay, so where is the team ID then? You can find that using your developer account. So to work on this real device, first you have to create your account with Apple. That's a step one process. So go to this link developer.apple.com/account and you can create your account, sign up with your email, and then once you log in, you would see your Xcode OrgID in form of team ID there. Okay, so let me go and show you that how it looks like. Yeah, so once you log in, so here you have a membership tab. You sign up and log into this developer account, and this is an overview and this is a membership. So here, look at here, team ID. This is your Xcode OrgID. Copy this and just go and place it in your test. That's it. So I am masking it because I cannot show my iPhone team ID, so that's a privacy issue. And one more thing you have to understand here, that I am not going to reveal any of these steps here. I will just show where they exactly present, but I'm not going to put actual values and run this test today. So yeah, I do have some privacy issues I'm doing that, and my there's a chance that phone can be hacked if these data got leaked. So I don't want to take a risk, but I can show where exactly they are present so that you can go and put it in your code and run this test. All right, so I can do that for Android. So I just bought a phone for 2000 INR. It's in rupees and it's around $50 or $40. And I have created a videos just to explain Android real device, and there I have clearly shown the live. But I just cannot buy iPhone just to explain this section, right? So iPhone is very costly. So that's why please understand that I cannot put real values and run this test. I hope you give respect to my privacy. Okay, so I am just clearly showing that where exactly this is present. Log in, click on membership and team ID, copy this and place it here. That's it. And next, Xcode signing ID. This is by default iPhone developer. Just put a static value of that. Right. Next is UDID. Where do you get this? Okay, let's read from our documentation. So I have provided a link from where you can exactly follow instructions and get this UDID. I will go through for you. Okay, so first of all, you have to connect your iPhone to your Mac. Step one. Okay, so see how cool it is. They have clearly given instructions also with a cable. So once you connect your iPhone to your Mac, then you know that there is an app called iTunes in your Mac machine. Open that and there you will see a mobile icon. So that clearly says that mobile which you plugged in is detecting in your iTunes. Okay, so just click on this and you will have a few tabs out here, and then let me show you that. Yeah, so you will see something like this. Click on the browse and you will see mobile icon here, and when you select that you will get all the information about your phone, and here what you see, the serial number. Okay, so the first one is serial number. When you go and click on this, then it will turn as a UDID. So you see the instruction here. Click the serial number entry. It's in the top section of the summary page. Okay, so clicking the serial number will switch to the UDID. That's what I am saying. So when you click here, automatically this will go away, and like this it will display UDID. Okay, so once you get this, you can simply copy the UDID from here. So you can just use Command C command to copy that, and then you can go ahead and paste wherever you want. So basically we need that in our decide capability code. Okay, so it's very simple. Connect your mobile to iTunes and then select that browse. Come to summary, you will see your iPhone information with a serial number like this. When you click on this, this will convert to the UDID and UDID number will display here. So just like this, and copy that and paste it in your desired capabilities code. So if you are not clear of how to do that, there are lots of links in Google to get that UDID. Okay, so but I personally like this because it has screenshots as well. So you may have a question that why can't you show by connecting your iTunes? Yes, I can do that, but in that way I am exposing my serial number and everything. So I cannot mask that because whole page have entire information about my iPhone. If it is just one field, I can mask it. If it is complete page gives about my information, my private data, I cannot blur whole page, right? So that's the reason I'm not able to show you, but these screenshots will really help you to get that UDID. Hope you understand. Okay, perfect. Now, two things here. So you have given Xcode OrgID, you know where exactly it's present, and you have UDID. So if you are working in real time in a project, this will be given by your team. Every team have their developer account, organizational account it is basically. So you can ask them that what is Xcode OrgID for our team, and they will give you. Okay, and UDID. So this is specific to the mobile you are testing. If someone gives you the mobile, you can just ask them that what is UDID. If they say I don't know, that's fine. You simply connect to your Mac and follow the instructions of just what I said and get the UDID of the device which you are going to test. Okay, so this UDID is tied up to the device which you are testing, real device testing, tied up to real device. So if they have given any device, then go and find out UDID. But this Xcode OrgID is not related to any device. It's tied up to the account. So you can ask your team to get an account because you don't have to use your personal account to fill this value. Okay, next. And this comes a real challenge. It looks easy, right? Till now, what's the really deal? I can simply fill these three fields and pass this into my test and run. That's it, good. But this is where the real tricky things comes into picture. Okay, so before I talk about this, I will copy this whole code and I'll just paste it in my Eclipse. So we are on good shape, working on it. Alright, so we are almost there except one step to complete and run our test cases on iOS device. Okay, as I told you, there are 4 desired capabilities extra you needed to run them on real devices, and we have successfully given 3 capabilities. And in the next lecture, I am going to talk about that bundle ID. Alright, thank you.